Okay, so I was super opposed to getting a Ring doorbell at first. I was like, we don't need that. But then I got it, and it has been so awesome for our family. So let me tell you why these are awesome. First of all, we have kind of like a glass on our front door that you can see through. So I can check on the door and who's there before I even go to the door. So that's awesome. And also, I can see if someone came while we were gone. So one time we had someone say that we had a delivery and they dropped it off. We didn't get it. I was able to go back and look and see, like, nope, your car never even came into our driveway that day. So it's been really awesome just to like track things and who's arriving at our door, but then also just to be able to know who we're answering. And when our kids are home, they can actually check it on our Alexa devices so they can see who's at the front door and know if they should answer it or not. So here's the app, which is super nice. So you can pull up your history on this app. It's connected to all of your Ring devices, but you can also go live as well. And then if you see someone out there, you can actually talk to them and let them know you're not home or whatever you need to say. But that is really nice for us, just for the kids, to be able to pull it up on our Alexa devices or for us. But yeah, we really, really, really love this Ring device. So again, Ring doorbell, especially if you have kids and are introverted like me and don't want to answer to everyone, I would highly recommend getting one of these doorbells. They look super nice too. So yeah, you can kind of see it looks really nice there, and just helps me feel safe and protected. And it works with all of our other Ring devices that we have throughout the house too.